Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Let's get this bread. Hey everybody, welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video is going to be an unboxing and review of the Noot products 60-watt 6-port charger, and this includes QuickCharge 3.0 and ID Tech technology. A little while ago I took a look at their 2-port 24-watt USB wall charger. I'll just leave this linked up here. It's a great video, great deal, great product, and because that was so great, I have very high expectations for this product. So on the back it says it charges 6 devices simultaneously. We're going to confirm that here in a moment. QuickCharge 3.0 is backwards compatible with QuickCharge 2.0. Supports quick charging for compatible devices, including Huawei devices. ID Tech charging technology automatically adapts to your devices and maximizes the charging speed. You get a little diagram of the product here. Some cautions, you know, this is what to not do if you don't want to burn down your house. Inside the package, really nice packaging. You get a warranty card to register. You go to your website there. Here's a discount code for you guys. If you guys want 25% off your entire purchase when you buy from Noot products on Amazon, use code NOOT2500 at Amazon's checkout. So in the box that is very aptly named AC adapter, we get our AC adapter. That's your standard figure 8 connector. You get a nice little Velcro cable tie here. This is a 4-foot cable. This is a 4-foot cable end to end. So it's not the longest, but it's not obnoxiously short. Then also we get the power brick itself, and it's pretty barren for branding other than Noot right here. And then you've got some information on it on the bottom. You get this nice little rubber ring that kind of helps keep it in place. On the back you have your figure 8 connector plug-in, and then on the front you have your Qualcomm QuickCharge 3.0 plus ID Tech port up top, and slightly above that you have an LED indicator. I would assume that's for power. And then you have 5 ID Tech charging ports. Let me just find an open outlet here and I'll plug this in and we'll start this cable mess. We'll plug that in and our LED light turns on. That down, and we'll move everything out of the way. And oh, I forgot one. We'll plug in some of my devices over here. So we're gonna start with this USB-C cable, which is obnoxiously long for what we're gonna use it for. Plug that into the QuickCharge 3.0 port. I'm going to grab my Desert West C2 fast wireless charger. We're gonna put that here, and I'm gonna drop my iPhone on it, and that starts charging. 1 device down, 5 to go. Actually gonna scoop this way. I'm gonna plug in my AirPods, grab a lightning cable, plug that in, plug in the AirPods, and if they were not at 100%, the light would turn orange and they would charge. 2 devices down, 4 to go. Again, keeping the Apple trend, plug in my iPad Air 2 as I hit the lights in my studio, and that is charging. I have the 1st gen Hokunui wireless power bank. We're going to plug that in. That's at 100%. Slide that there. 4 down, 2 to go. I have my skinned DualShock 4 controller. That starts charging. The light is on. I can't see it because of the lights here in the studio. And last but not least, I have my new Boom wireless Bluetooth speaker. This thing is a monster. I'll have my video on it linked up here. I highly recommend you check it out. Plug that in, and that is charging. And these are all charging, so iPhone's charging, DualShock's charging, New Boom's charging, AirPods are fully charged, Hokunui battery's charging, iPad's charging, everything is charging. And also I noticed that if you look here really closely, the light is blue. It changes from green to blue when you have things plugged into it. Let me clean this up and we'll keep talking about the charger. So I already took a look at a 6-port charger like this before. It was from Anker. It was the PowerPort Plus, and it was $35. Still is $35 at the time I'm shooting this. This Noot charger is $21 on Amazon. Again, similar to the one that I took a look at before, you get a lot of power and a lot of value for a very low price. So if I were to recommend one or the other, Noot or the Anchor, I don't have the Anchor here, but we'll just pretend it's here. Slap a picture here in post. If I were to recommend the Noot or the Anchor, I would probably recommend the Noot because you're losing 1 watt of total power. You're keeping Qualcomm QuickCharge 3.0, and you're keeping the other 5 USB Type A ports. So I'll have this linked in the description, as well as Noot's website and their social media. Check them out. I only have 2 of their products. They're both right here, and for my use with these 2, they're incredible. So I 100% recommend both of these. You know, I'll even have this link down below. You guys should check that out. It's really cool. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on your notifications so that way you don't miss my next video. Until that next video, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.